It has been almost 10 years since I've played my saxophone, and I busted it out right now. So the sound you're about to hear me make is going to be the first sound that I've made in 10 years. I haven't tried practicing prior to recording this video. This is it. This is the first one. So let's see how it is. Ooh. Yeah, this is also a brand new saxophone, kind of. Well, not new anymore. It was new when we got it over 10 years ago. So I definitely have. I still need to break it in, kind of. Yeah, it sounds a little out of tune. My mouth is already tired. My armature is sore already. Well, there you go. I tried to do a couple scales based on my memory from years ago. Hope you liked it. Bye.